heading? Look at that chicken. It's going away.
Go get the. She moves pretty quick. Here.
Pauline. Okay, go find Pauline. There she is. It's too far already. Solid chicken. Look at it, they are running. They're so cute. So welcome to our channel, Rural Living with Paul and Gwen. And look at those chicken. They're getting away. It's cloudy and windy, but it's bearable weather. So where are you chicken heading? Pauline, where did you go? Where are you going? What you got there, Missy? All right, I know where they're heading. They're going to the garden. And there's Paul, busy fixing things. He made a small door from the barn. So in order that when we go inside, we don't need to open the big door. So we can just open the small door that he just made it. And it looks awesome and it works good. So what's up? Huh? What's going on, Tony? What's going on? What's up? You little so cute. Yeah, looking for the other two. Where are they? Go find them. There we go. Yep, and they're heading to our garden, vegetable garden. But they're not digging. They're just waiting for us to dig for themselves. And then they get the bugs and the earthworm. Yep, that is our chicken. Spoiled chicken. 2 laying eggs. That 2. This one, she tried, but there's no to avail. So this is our garden plot. I use old VHS tape to show those birds or anything that you will eat the seeds that I plant, and hopefully they will grow, because the like 4 days ago it went snow heavily. I hope they will survive, but yeah, my mistake the first time, and I know next time I'm gonna plant my seeds after the frost, or maybe first day of May. And look at this chicken following me around. They don't go find their own food. So where are you heading now? So this one plot here is I save it for my bell pepper to plant later. And the rest is already have seeds in there, and hopefully they will sprout. Well, good luck. Okay, were you waiting? They're waiting for me to dig, and then they can find the earthworm, because They're not digging by themselves because they are spoiled chicken. Okay, I'm gonna start digging now. There, look at it. Yeah, you need to use your strong feet to dig too, Pauline. See, if I don't start digging, they're not gonna work. Now they go to work. Silly chicken. Okay, dig it. So when I'm going to plant the seeds there, or seedlings, will be good. So they're eating their earthworm. If the soil have more earthworm, means the soil is good for planting. And we dump animal manures, this one before, and plow it and try to mix them up, and hopefully every parts of this spot will have that fertilizer. You're lucky, huh? Any luck, Boomy? No. So most of the farmer here, they already prepared their field. As yesterday, the farmer on that side is already uh, prepare their field for the like last time they plant soybean, and I don't know what they're going to plant again to this time. Is also a soybean. So that far there is our neighbor. He have horses, and this is his field. They worked yesterday, clean up, and I guess we're just waiting for the right time to plant their product. And here is Paul's area, and there's two farmers coming to put their two working horses for this area for a pasture. And that's all we got in here for this year. So I guess they're going to bring their horses next month. A few days more to go. And this tape from old VHS is really working to show those birds to eat your seeds when you plant. And even animals or rabbit, they don't come into our garden to dig in. It's just a good sign, so nobody can disturb our plant, whatever we plant in here. So I plant snow peas, different kind of peas, watermelon. I hope it will grow, and I guess I also plant honeydew, and of course tomato and carrots, beets. We'll see if they start growing, and then, well, it will works. But if not, then what to do? We need to replant again. We need to learn, because in the Philippines it's always all year round you can grow some plants, but here it's only a certain months. So this advice to plant here is from May to August, and August for before September, when you need to harvest your plants already, or else they're gonna get froze and then they're wasted. So here he comes, Paul's walking up the hill. So he built that. He put those posts, and he put electric line. I guess he's so tired. What's happening, Pauline?
Chick.
Yeah, early morning he worked in the barn, fixed things up. He never stopped anyway. Kept moving. He cannot stay still. So, and then he complained he's tired. Nobody asked him to do that. So what are you gonna say, Paul?
Clean up my mess I made.
Well, you work so hard, so I guess it's time for you to relax.
Yes.
He got the big one. Oh, it's nice for a pot. Are you going to the pot, Pauline? Because you're not laying egg. What do you think? Look at that feet that you got. So huge. Such a big chicken. When you start laying egg, I know you'll try. Ooh, he doesn't like that.
Yeah, they clean up my mess.
And the cute chicken, he's having a sand bath. You like that, Tony? Enjoy the sand. Okay, that's all for today, I guess. I just want to update you what's going on in here. Yes, so every day we got 2 eggs from Tony. And Bomi, not from Pauline. Okay, folks, you need to enjoy the weather because pretty soon winter is go away. And thank you for watching. Keep safe, everyone. We don't let the COVID-19 get us through. And COVID-19 will go away by itself. Of course, self-discipline too, folks. Protect yourself, protect your family, protect your friends. So when the virus is over, we gotta enjoy our life. Goodbye. And this is Juan signing off.